Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we've got our lips and lather from Cut the Crap Organics. Let's get in and see what this month's box has. This box was sent to me for review. We do it sometimes here on the channel. Whenever she reaches out, I'm like, absolutely. You guys know I love lip products and I really love handmade soaps. Soaps that are a little more special. This is $14 a month, but because it is sent to us, I will put a code, Catherine10, down below. It will get you 10% off your first box. It does have free shipping in the US. And what it is every month you will get a lip balm. Spoiler alert, I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. You will get a lip balm and a soap, and you will get a new unique flavor every month. They are made with 100% natural fragrances and with 100% organic plant-based oils and butter. So they are fantastic for you too. First out, we have pumpkin cheesecake roll. Oh, that sounds fantastic. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells good. Just a little bit of pumpkin. I wouldn't say if I smelled it, if I didn't know the name of it and I smelled it, I wouldn't be like, oh, definitely cheesecake. But now that I know it, I do kind of get it out of it. I can't put it on my lips. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand because I wanna show you guys, this is what I love about it. Can you see the shine? I'm gonna do this hoping I put it right here, that you can see the shine in it, because it's not one of those ones that goes on like a chapstick. It's one of the ones that has that nice warm melting point that feels so good. Oh yeah. Oh, I can smell it better on my hands now that it's warm to my body temperature. Oh, that smells so good. Just for the record, that is her card. This is the November box, and it says, I don't know about you, but where I live, it is officially autumn. It is gorgeous. We are having a really rainy day today, and it's kind of bringing down some of the last of our leaves, but it is full on autumn out there. The trees are golden and orange. The air is crisp, and the pumpkins are everywhere. I just took my pumpkins down. I got this cute little thing that I thought I would put back here, but it hangs, and I haven't found anything to hang it on, so it's just leaning nicely at this point. The Pumpkin Cheesecake Roll Lip Balm is inspired by the yummiest of all autumnal desserts, and the Leaf Pile Soap, look how gorgeous that is. The Leaf Pile Soap is scented with natural fragrance that combines warm notes of spiced maple and bourbon oak. It is also made with Jamaican castor oil, which gives it the barest hint of smoke. How good does that sound? And it is gorgeous. This is going downstairs immediately. Here, let me show it to you one more time, but I want to slide the label off of it so you can see the different layers in it because it is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at the top. It looks like leaves. So she had a big loaf and they cut, oh, I wonder if they call them loaves. Loaves of soap. That sounds lovely. But look at the layers. Isn't that fantastic? And then the leaves on top. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And I do get that hint of smoke. It just smells autumnal and clean to me. It kind of has that soapy undertone, which I personally like because I like that really clean scent. I love this. I just love handmade soaps. It has organic coconut oil, organic olive oil, organic palm oil, sweet almond oil, Jamaican castor oil, mica, 100% natural fragrance. So this is a $14 a month box. Again, I will put a code, Catherine10, and a link down below for you that will take you over and get you 10% off your first box. Shipping and handling is free. How stinking cute is that for yourself, for a gift? I love it. I just paused too long. I don't know if I'll leave it in. I just paused too long because I looked at it and I thought, it does. Who would that make a great gift for? It is Christmas time. I am in the throes of Christmas and looking for all the good gift ideas I can find. Some of my people are so difficult to buy for. You know, we live in a day and age where a lot of people, when they need something, they just go out and buy it. So it makes them harder to buy for, and that's who this would be perfect for. Look how cute that is. Thank you so much for coming by and checking this out. Again, I will put all the information down below. I want to thank them for sending this over, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. I will see you again soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Have a great evening, guys. Bye.